Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Eden in the Hills, perched outside of Oracabessa and conveniently located across from the new and impeccable development Bessa Living, you will find Gibraltar Estates, home to a variety of group of esteemed owners who are engaged with their parish and township of Oracabessa. Gibraltar Estate is arguably the best enclave in St. Mary, once owned by the famous Gerber family. 55 Gibraltar Estate, on almost 3/4 of an acre, is one of the few original villas, with stunning original terrazzo tiles throughout. This 4-bed, 4-bath estate enjoys a layout perfect for entertaining, with the pool deck position of the living room. Mature fruit trees line the property along with open space for lounging and outdoor dining. Gibraltar Estate is where you want to call home. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.